Palestine, Egypt. This is the Mediterranean Sea. This is the Red Sea and Dead Sea. Okay? So, you can see here the Nile, Delta Nile, the castles and the Arc Cathedral. We have here the three castles during the Byzantine period, which was built to protect the caravans and the trade caravans. Moses crossed the Red Sea and came to Sinai desert, and he lost for 40 years. All right? He went to talk to God, of course. This is not the first time ever. He went to Sinai Mount, and when he came back, he found his people were worshipping the calf. God punished them by sending snakes, and to cure from this sin, God ordered Musa to build a copper snake, and who will look to this copper, to this snake, he will be able to understand, and this is happening in this area. Now Moses continued, he tried to enter from the Edomite kingdom, but the people, the kingdom, the king on that time, he refused. So he continued. In this area, Wadi Musa, his brother Harun or Aaron died, and he was buried in this area. He continued until he came. This is Al-Karak Castle, or Ker Hoba, Ker Haris, it was mentioned in the Old Testament. And he came around and then to Arnon Valley, then he came up to Mount Nebo. And he there stood and saw the promised land, or the Holy Land, for the first and the last time. Of course, Moses died. Where he buried, we don't know. Nobody knows if it was in Mount Nebo or his body was right up to the heaven, as if like Elijah, or his body was carried and it was buried near Jericho. Okay? In this area. Joshua, his servant, became the prophet, and he led the tribes, crossed Jordan River, and they settled or camped in the first time in this area. You can see Jordan River, fish are coming back because it's very salty. This is King Hussein Bridge. This is Sheikh Hussein Bridge. Tomorrow I'm leaving from this bridge. Now this is the baptism site. I told you that you thought in the beginning that it's in this area, but it was here in our side. Now all the tribes, the Jewish tribes, they separate in Palestine. This is Jerusalem. You can see the Colonnade Street, Oval Plaza, Zion Gate, and here is the Golden Gate, where Jesus, when he come back, he will open this gate by himself. Lot Cave, okay, Hebron, the Red Sea. You can see that there is fish, there is ship inside, and they were trading between east and west. All right, you can see that. Now most of the faces, they were destroyed from the iconoclast war in 900 BC, AD. Between the strict Christians and Christians, they believe that Jesus is ordinary human being, he's prophet, and others said no, he's son of God, he's a God. So they didn't let anyone to walk on the faces of Jesus, Saint Maria, Saint Virgin Maria, and the bishops. So they destroyed all the faces in Jordan. So anywhere you will find that there is faces were destroyed, everywhere. Now when we go to Mount Nebo, you find also faces were destroyed. This is Asqalan and this is Gaza. Okay? So any question? Jordan, Palestine, Egypt. This is the Mediterranean.
Jordan, Palestine, Egypt.
This is the Mediterranean Sea.
ये तो जानते हैं भूमध्य समुद्र, Mediterranean Sea.
And this is the Red Sea.
This Red Sea.
Dead Sea.
Dead Sea, Mrut Sarovar.
Okay. You are going to swim in there in Israel, right?
Yes.
I want to give you advice. There is sharks inside. Okay. So Moses crossed the Red Sea, all right, and he came to Sinai desert.
Moses Red Sea cross किया. निर्गमन पुस्तक 12 or 13 chapter, 14 chapter. और सनई डेजर्ट में आया
and lost for 40 years.
लॉस्ट फॉर 40 इयर्स वहाँ घूमते रहे सारे इसराइल
And then when he went to Sinai Mount to talk to God,
इधर सिनाई माउंट आए जो एक्सोडस 19:24-25 चैप्टर में है
he came back and found his people worshipping the calf.
तो जब उसको जो लॉ दिया गया तो नीचे आया तो लोग तो इधर जो काफ था बछड़ा उसकी काव की मूर्ति बना के उसकी वर्शिप कर रहे हैं
So God punished them by sending snakes and to cure, he built the copper snake, and this happened in this area.
यहाँ ईश्वर ने इजरायली लोग को पनिश किया बहुत स्नेक बेच दिए पता नहीं कितने करीब मोर देन 20,000 से ज्यादा लोग वहां मर गए फिर जब लोग ने पश्चाताप किया मोजिस ने पश्चाताप किया कि नहीं माफ करो उसको तब परमेश्वर ने कहा कि एक कॉपर का पित्तल का एक स्नेक बनाओ और रखो उसके सामने जो देखेगा वो बच जाएगा
So he went, he tried to enter from the kingdom of Adum, but they refused. He continued. Here, Wadi Musa, his brother Harun, or Aaron, he died. Harun.
ये यहाँ से इधर आए कि अदोमाइट जो बाइबल में अदोम जो आर्च एनिमी ऑफ इजराइलाइट्स जो अदोम उसने इसे परमिशन नहीं दिया एंटर करने का लेकिन यहाँ मूसा का भाई हारून मर गए
He continued around, he walked around Al-Karak Castle, and then he came to Arnon Valley, and then to Mount Nebo.
वहां से ऊपर हमारे बाइबल में बोलते हैं माउंट बाइबल बोलते हैं कार्नेश बांडिया इधर से ऊपर गया वहां से इधर वापस आया और इधर फिर इधर जो रिवर है वो रिवर इधर माउंट नबो तक आए
Yes, it's correct. So he died, and his servant Joshua he led the Jewish tribes and crossed Jordan River and settled in this area. They camped here for the first time.
इधर से माउंट नबो है वहाँ मोजिस तो मरे नहीं उनको मालूम नहीं है क्योंकि वहाँ लिखा है परमेश्वर ने उसको दफनाया कहाँ मर गए वो मालूम नहीं है लेकिन वहाँ चले गए उसके बाद उसका लेफ्टिनेंट था जो असिस्टेंट जोशुआ उसने सारा टेक ओवर किया और इधर से जॉर्डन क्रॉस करके इधर सबसे पहले सेटलमेंट किया
Of course, King Hussein Bridge, Sheikh Hussein Bridge, we are leaving tomorrow from this bridge.
शेख हसैन ब्रिज
King.
किंग हसन ब्रिज एंड शेख हसन ब्रिज
Yes.
कल इधर से हम जाएंगे हाँ
Yes, we are leaving tomorrow from this bridge.
कल इधर से हम जाएंगे
The baptism site, where Jesus was baptized by John Baptist.
पहले लोग ऐसे मानते थे कि इधर यीशु मसीह का जो बपतिस्म साइट इधर है लेकिन ये साफ बोल रहे हैं कि अभी जो नया डिस्कवरी हुआ है जो आर्कियोलॉजिकल पुरातत्व विज्ञान के साल में जो हुआ है उसमें से ऐसा मालूम पड़ा कि यहाँ उसका बैप्टिज्म हुआ होगा तो अभी पहले हम मानते थे कि जॉर्डन के ओ साइड पे इजराइल के साथ में हुआ होगा लेकिन अब ये बोलते हैं कि जॉर्डन के साइड में हुआ था इधर हुआ कहाँ भी हुआ लेकिन जॉर्डन रिवर पे हुआ
Yes, the tribes, they separated in Palestine, and this is Jacob well, and here is Jerusalem.
ये जैकब वेल है जो समुद्री स्त्री यमुना के चौथा पांचवा अध्याय में मिली ये याकूब का कुआं है इधर ये जेरूशलेम है इधर पैलेस्टीनियंस है
Yes. Colonnade Street, Plaza, Over Plaza, Zion Gate, and the Golden Gate is over here.
ये प्लाजा है ये जियोन गेट है और साफ बोलते थे गोल्डन गेट है जो हमारे बाइबल में लिखा नहीं है गोल्डन गेट है वहाँ एक गोल्डन गेट पे यीशु मसीह वापस आएगा तब इधर आएगा वो गोल्डन गेट खोला देगा
And this is the plain road where Jesus he carried the cross.
या ये हम डोलारोसा रोड पे चलने वाले हैं चौथ स्टेशन यीशु मसीह जो अपना क्रॉस लेके चला ये गोल्डन रोड है
Okay, this is Asqalan, Gaza.
ये गाजा है
This is Gaza.
ये आश्कलान है और ये गाजा है लेकिन जो ओरिजिनल मैप है उसमें तो इधर आश्कलोन है इधर गाजा है
Yes, hey Asqalan. This is Gaza because they are very close to each other. This is Gaza.
I mean, there only it comes.
Yes.
Because it
remember
is,
this.
two maps are made, it is separate.
Yes, and it was destroyed. Many pieces were destroyed. Okay? Any question? Do you have homework to do?